Hi, I'm Ed from Curry's PC World, and I'm back with more home tech tips. So, you've bought yourself a roast chicken. What are you going to do? Stick it in the oven? Or did you know that there are other ways to cook a chicken which are quicker, tastier, and will use a whole lot less gas? Plus, way less washing up. So why not try these? Get full off the bone tender chicken without the weight. Just pop it in a pressure cooker on a high setting for 25 minutes. Then allow the chicken to sit for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Quick and easy. First of all, cover your whole chicken in water. For some Chinese flavour, throw in some soy sauce, some star anise, some cinnamon, some ground ginger, and whatever else you like. Then just boil and simmer for 30 minutes, turning the chicken halfway through. It's that easy. Most combi microwaves will have a chicken setting, so the only thing you'll need to know is the weight of the chicken, which you'll find on the packet. In an hour or less, you'll have a beautifully cooked chicken. Season the chicken the way you want it, and then pressure cooker, then air fry your chicken to perfection. It's about 15 minutes on each setting. You'll find all the juices of the chicken, and you know what that means? Gravy. Add some water, stock, flour, seasoning, and you've got the makings of a great gravy. Like those hacks? Well, check out the Curry's website for more brilliant cooking tech which makes cooking a cinch.